Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be using the Gold collection from Coffee Monsterz Co. to plan for the week beginning the 12th through to the 18th of August. This is an Erin Condren 8x10 softbound and I have it in the Hourly. Let's take a look at what I'm going to be using before we get started. So I have this little sticker. It comes from the affirmation vinyls and it says I am creative, and this week I'm still off on annual leave. I've had a lovely relaxing week and doing as little as possible. But this week I want to potter about in my planner room doing a few things. I think I'm going to try and organise my pens and maybe some more of my stationery. I don't know, journal. I'll probably relax too, and I'll maybe do some stuff around the house. I don't know, but I thought it'd be fun to use this sort of creative, crafty theme. Anyway, so that's my focal point, this little vinyl. And then we have the large Be Bold doodles. Always get the doodles whenever they're available. Lovely little space fillers. That one's my favourite. And then this is the kit. And this is a kit that has 3 sheets. If you don't know, she's actually just had a change to her kits, and there's lots of extra bits. Like for example, now you can buy the Hubman and Chubgirl food boxes separately. So if you don't need all this extra stuff and you just like the decorative stuff, you could buy this doodle sheet and the sheet of food box stickers. So that's really brilliant. And then I have actually used some of this, but you can get the doodle banners separately, although it'll probably take her a while to update all her kits. But her newest kit that she just released, that she had there for her birthday sale, is in it and has all the different options. Anyway, so this is sheet 1, and then we have sheet 2. Nice and bright and colourful this week. And then this is sheet 3. And then I'm going to be using the Sharpie S Gel in 0.7. This is in the White Pearl barrel, I think it's called. And then I'm going to be using my Zicklin Colour Dot in 502, which is butter. And then I was going to use this washi, but I've changed my mind. I'm going to put it away. And I'm going to go a bit different with my washi choice and do the pastel orange and pick out the sort of orange vibes from the kit and just make it nice, a bright, cheery week. So let's start as usual with getting all the base down and we will go from there.
Love like wildfire, I was your entire world until I stood alone in a storm. You took the sunshine, the flames are gone now, and I watched you walk straight out of that door. Promises got lost in the dust, your boots by the door, you're not coming home. Love like wildfire, I was your entire world until I wasn't anymore. Oh, heartache, you left me behind. That's not a man, only a coward. Gone now, you're chasing the wind. No longer my man, you're just a cowboy.
So I will start my sidebar with our little I Am Creative vinyl. I have quite a few new subscribers and you're very welcome. But I thought it would be fun because I'm on annual leave and have a bit of extra time to sit and potter about, and I'll be spending this week in my studio doing bits and bobs. So when I come to plan for this week, like I said, I'll have a bit extra time to sit in here and just be creative and enjoy myself. So I thought I would do like an informal Q&A and I could sit and answer some questions while I plan. So leave any questions down below and we'll have some fun and spend a bit of extra time sitting chatting about it. That'll be really good. I would enjoy that. So let's put down the weekend banner. Cool. Okay, now what week are we on? Let's do a little, I think I'm gonna have to get like an emoji head washi or some sort of thinner washi. Hold on, give me a second. I have this washi from Planner Monkey Co. and it has my liners on it. So it might be fun because we're doing a, you know, a be creative type theme. Because I don't have any banners to separate my sections and I like separating it. So I'll use this rather than using headers or emoji heads ones. Yeah, cool. Right, so then we're on week 33. They're just flying by, those old weeks. And I'm gonna use this little one here for that. And then we'll put another, there it is. Ah. Another little swatch is what I was going to say. Okay, and then I'm going to do what I did last week where I used this to mark annual leave. Where is it? Because the colours are perfect for this kit. I can't see me, you know, having all these specific colours in another kit. Plus it has the paintbrush and the pencil at the side. So I'm going to do the same thing again. So let's get this fun header for work. And then cut off the Saturday and Sunday. Wish the colours had been in reverse because I would rather have kept these two colours, but ah well. So we'll put that there and then we will have an arrow like we did last week. It was this size, wasn't it? Here. And then let's do some more swatch of this. And our this week from here. Right there. And then I'm going to pick what doodle I want in here, put my full boxes down and pick my, oh gosh, I've taken a mental blank. Mind map, like my weekly themes mind map sticker to see what, to represent the theme for this week.
We're just a cowboy.
Next week is also going to be a very special week because the 19th is my channel anniversary from when I posted my first video 5 years ago. And I hit my milestone, and it's just been a great year and a great 5 years really of having this channel. I've absolutely loved it.
I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper.
Yay, this kit is so much fun. I just decided to have fun over here, do something different with the post-it notes and almost make it like it's sort of 2 full boxes as a weekend section. It's nice and cheery. Right, next step, the plans. So I'm going to actually write as I go along this week. So we have week 33, annual leave, Instagram, YouTube, little dot. Monday, Tesco delivery at 9. Let's do a little yellow box. No, because that's yellow. It's going to be right beside it. So let's do a little brown box. And then we'll do, for the nail appointment, this little one with the scissors. I could have booked a later time, but I wanted to make myself get up because I've already had my little lazy week, so I want to be more productive. I'm not going to obsess either, you know, I'm still on annual leave. Right, so stickers and writing in. So we have here, let's do one of the Teddy Plans Co girls holding the grocery bags. Beside here for the Tesco delivery. And then I have in health and self-care, nails there. Let's do green, this little green bottle. This is from Hubman and Chubgirl. Then bins, can I do my usual little trick? Nope, this one doesn't have the ombre box, but that's fine. I'll use this one up here for the bins. Put it down at the bottom. And then the usual 3 dots for what they are. I forget at the best of times, let alone when I'm so out of a routine. So that's right at the front, the chores section. So I'll use trash day for what the bins are. And I'll use this little dude going at carrying a smelly food bag here. And then we have no events and birthdays, so I need to go into my work section and get a little, let's use this girl sitting at a laptop and we'll put her on the edge of a box just for something different. This is from Fox and Pip. And it'll be for updating the groceries on the Sunday. I'm going to just get a plain brown box to set her on. Need to make sure I have the room to set her, so she goes here, let's say. I think I might put it lower down this week so I can set her without worrying about hitting them. I usually do it later in the day anyway, because I procrastinate. There. Lovely, nice and bright and cheery for my little creative week. So let's tidy up my desk and put all my extra stickers away.
Slowly unfold, bracing for news that I can't bear to hold, while I'm singing this song to myself. I sing this softly to myself. Jeans on the fence, this iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself.
And there we have it for another week. Don't forget to leave your wee questions below. I mightn't get to answer them all, but I'll do my best. Oh, didn't quite work. Anyway, take care and I will speak to you soon. Bye!
In a world of green, just like a dream, you